Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to refer a friend in Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, then on the search bar type in bet365.com. Once you type it in, press enter. Once you get to this page, make sure you log into your account by clicking on this button. Enter your login credentials, then click on login. And once you're logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. Then this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, you can see this tab, My Offers. Click on it. Then on this section, you'll find a referral code. Once you find the referral code, copy the code and give it to your friend via any messaging app or social media. Once your friend receives the code, they'll also have to go to this website, bet365.com. And once they are on this website, they'll have to click on this join button. Now, once they get to this page, scroll a bit down, then on this area where it says bonus code, they'll have to paste the code on this box and join Bet365. Once they have done so, both of you will be rewarded. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.